Luxury SUVs have always been a symbol of power, comfort, and dominance on the road. But in 2025, car makers have pushed boundaries even further, creating massive machines that combine cutting-edge technology with pure extravagance. These are not just vehicles, they are rolling mansions designed for those who want the very best in space, performance, and luxury. Today, we're counting down the top 7 biggest luxury SUVs in the world, 2025 edition. Buckle up, because these giants redefine what it means to drive in style. 7. BMW X7 2025. The BMW X7 remains one of the largest luxury SUVs on the market, boasting 3 spacious rows of seating. With its bold kidney grille, high-tech curved display, and V8 engine option, the X7 blends performance with luxury. Its 2025 refresh introduces improved autonomous driving features and upgraded interior materials, making it a true family-friendly luxury powerhouse. 6. Cadillac Escalade ESV 2025. The Escalade ESV is longer, wider, and more luxurious than ever. Known for its massive size, it offers unmatched cargo space and a high-tech cabin with a 38-inch OLED display. The 2025 model adds advanced driver assist tech and optional hybrid powertrains, ensuring that this American icon continues to dominate the luxury SUV market. 5. Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 2025. When it comes to opulence, the Maybach GLS 600 doesn't disappoint. It combines the practicality of an SUV with the luxury of a private jet. Reclining rear seats, premium leather, and a whisper-quiet cabin define this SUV. The 2025 version expands on personalization, offering exclusive Maybach two-tone paint schemes and next-level comfort tech. 4. Range Rover SV 2025. The Range Rover SV has always set the standard for luxury SUVs. In 2025, it takes refinement and size to a new level, offering extended wheelbase options and executive seating. It's equipped with a plug-in hybrid and V8 engine options, and its interior rivals 5-star lounges. The SV badge guarantees bespoke touches and unrivaled prestige. 3. Lexus LX 600 2025. Lexus's flagship SUV, the LX 600, balances Japanese craftsmanship with rugged power. Larger and more imposing than before, the LX 600 in 2025 includes advanced off-road capabilities alongside pure luxury. With plush seating, cutting-edge infotainment, and Toyota's legendary reliability, it's a global favorite for those who want size and substance. 2. Rolls-Royce Cullinan 2025. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is the definition of ultra-luxury on wheels. Towering in size, it provides unmatched ride comfort thanks to Rolls-Royce's Magic Carpet Ride suspension. The 2025 model offers even more personalization options: rare woods, exotic leathers, and bespoke interiors. For those who want to travel in a palace, the Cullinan remains untouchable. At number 1 is the Bentley Bentayga extended wheelbase. This SUV redefines luxury with its massive size, handcrafted interior, and V8 or W12 engine options. The 2025 Bentayga introduces Bentley's most advanced rear seat luxury package ever, with airline-style reclining seats, climate control zones, and next-gen infotainment. It's not just the biggest, it's the most refined SUV money can buy in 2025. Each of these incredible machines represents more than just a way to travel. They are a statement of power, status, and taste. From BMW's bold X7 to the Rolls-Royce Cullinan and Bentley's majestic Bentayga extended wheelbase, these SUVs prove that luxury and size can coexist without compromise. What makes this lineup so fascinating is the diversity. On one end, you have practical giants like the Cadillac Escalade ESV and Lexus LX 600, vehicles built not only for sheer presence, but also for family use, long journeys, and all-terrain capability. On the other end, you have ultra-exclusive models like the Maybach GLS, Range Rover SV, and of course Bentley and Rolls-Royce, which elevate the SUV into something closer to a rolling 5-star 5-star hotel suite. These vehicles embody the trends of 2025: advanced driver assistance systems, electrification options, sustainable luxury materials, and more personalization than ever before. Automakers aren't just selling cars, they're selling an experience, one tailored to the most demanding clients in the world. But here's the bigger question: if you had the choice, which of these SUVs would you call your dream ride? Would you go for the rugged reliability of the Lexus LX, the iconic presence of the Escalade, or the bespoke craftsmanship of the Bentley Bentayga? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your pick. If you enjoyed this countdown of the world's biggest and most luxurious SUVs, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world of high-end automobiles. Until next time, drive safe, dream big, and keep exploring the road in style.